Hey everyone, update on the pond project here. If you saw my previous video, I dug down in the dam a little bit, drained it down a couple feet, but because this pond is more like a dish, the deep spot's in the middle and really could only drain it so far. And the excavator, because of the erosion on the side of the spillway where it had eroded down, I couldn't really dig down any deeper if you watch that video. So I've gone next level here. I am digging a path down to the pond so that I can then drain it more effectively. Okay, so now that I'm down there, I can work. I'm gonna trench along here, trench all the way up, and I can flip around and hopefully get water to start flowing out. So I'm gonna work over here first, dig all that out, work my way back. Nice trench all the way along here. Now it's still kind of soft out here, but I'm gonna dig as much as I can, try and get water flowing. Okay, finally broke through, made some progress. Just gotta clear this up here, and I think water can flow. Run down the hill and watch it. Now it's really flowing. I'm gonna see if I can't put a little more dirt out there, dig a little deeper without sinking my machine. All right, all done for the day. Machine's put away and it's draining quite nicely. I came out here pretty far. I put some logs under here. There's 6 or 7 logs covered with dirt. That way I was able to get out there without sinking too much. See, I'm shallow right there. But gotta get home, so good enough for now.